In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your trade data from Tradingview into a CSV file. We'll walk through the steps clearly and make sure you understand each part of the process. This way, you'll be able to manage and analyze your trading data with ease. First things first, make sure you've logged into your Tradingview account. Once you're in, check that you're on the main chart screen. It's really important to ensure you're working from exactly the view you want to extract data from. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, just to ensure you're comfortable with navigating around as we proceed with these steps. Next, navigate to the Trading panel at the bottom of the Tradingview chart. From this panel, you'll find various broker options. It's typically at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you select the account you've been using for your trades. This is crucial as the data you're going to export is specific to the account you choose. You wouldn't want to pull data from the incorrect log, as this might cause some confusion when you go to review or analyze it later. Once you've selected the right account, look for a menu option, often represented by 3 dots or lines, to access more features within your trading panel. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. In this list, you should see an option labeled Export or Download. Click on that, and you'll then likely be prompted to choose the type of data file you'd like. Opt for a CSV file format as it's widely supported and easily imported into spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets, making it perfect for any further analysis or reporting you may wish to do. Before finalizing the export, it's a good idea to take a glimpse at the date range or types of data included. Sometimes, Tradingview allows you to select specific date ranges or specify trade details that you want to include in your download. Double-check these options to ensure you're not missing any crucial information. Finally, confirm your selections and begin the download process. The file will typically save to your default downloads folder. Once downloaded, you can open this CSV with your preferred spreadsheet software. This file now holds all your trade data, neatly organized and ready for whatever analysis you have in mind. Remember, if you're having any issues with data visibility, check to make sure your spreadsheet software settings are adjusted properly for CSV files. With that, you've successfully exported your trade data from Tradingview into a CSV file. Hopefully, this process has been smooth and hassle-free. If you run into any hiccups or have more detailed questions, feel free to revisit these steps. Happy analyzing, and may your data-driven decisions lead you to even greater trading success.